Many mothers ask why using a breast pump is important. A breast pump is not only for feeding the baby, but also for protecting the mother's health and supporting successful breastfeeding. Using a breast pump helps maintain and increase milk supply. When milk is removed from the breast regularly, the body is encouraged to produce more milk. It allows milk to be stored so the baby can be fed even when the mother is resting, working, or away for a short time. Breast pumping also prevents breast problems. It helps reduce engorgement, blocked ducts, and discomfort, and lowers the risk of infection. Breast pump supports babies who cannot latch or feed directly. This includes premature babies or those who need extra help learning to breastfeed. Breast pumping makes shared caregiving possible. Other caregivers can help feed the baby while the mother rests and recovers. Using a breast pump protects long-term breastfeeding goals. It allows mothers to continue providing breast milk even during challenges. A breast pump is a simple tool that brings comfort, confidence, and support to both mother and baby.